Hey there, folks. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting to share with you all. We're diving into a brand new version of the Money Flow Index indicator. And guess what? It's adaptive to market conditions, all thanks to some nifty artificial intelligence. Now, before we dive in, make sure you stick around till the end because I've got a killer trading strategy to teach you alongside some live trading examples. Trust me, it's a game changer for those 1 minute, 5 minute, and 15-minute charts. First things first, let's add this awesome indicator to our chart. Simply head over to the Indicators section, type in AI Adaptive Money Flow Index, and there it is, brought to you by this amazing author. Easy, right? Now, let's talk a bit about how this indicator works. It's built on machine learning algorithms, which means it learns from data to adapt to market conditions. Pretty cool, huh? So what do we see on our chart? Well, there's this handy histogram bouncing above and below the center line set at 50. When it's green and above 50, we're looking at some serious upside momentum. And when it turns red and dips below 50, it's a sign of downside momentum. But wait, there's more. See those plus and minus signs, even zeros? They're like little indicators within the indicator, showing us when prices are on the rise, falling, or just flatlining. It's like having a mini market mood board right on your chart. Oh, and don't overlook those horizontal lines marking overbought and oversold territories. They're like little warning signs telling us when things might be getting a bit too hot or too cold in the market. But here's the kicker: this indicator doesn't just stop at showing us trends. It also gives us handy buy and sell signals based on those lines. It's like having a built-in trading assistant right there on your chart. Now let's talk strategy. I'm about to spill the beans on a seriously accurate trading strategy that pairs perfectly with this indicator. We're talking about pinpointing those moments when the smart money enters the market, riding those waves for profit. But before we get into the nitty-gritty, do me a favor and smash that like button. And hit subscribe if you haven't already. Trust me, you won't want to miss out on more awesome content like this. Join us on this journey as we empower crypto believers with knowledge and tools to achieve their goals. And guess what? We're just getting started in this world of endless possibilities. Click the link below to join us now. Enjoy zero fees on spot trading for the first 30 days and a chance to win up to 30,000 USDT in deposit rewards. Join Bybit today and ride the wave of crypto success. All right, let's break it down. We're combining our AI Adaptive Money Flow Index with another powerful indicator called the Andean Oscillator. This bad boy helps us spot trends in both trending and non-trending markets, making it the perfect sidekick for our money flow index. Here's how it works when the red line of the Andean Oscillator crosses above the orange line and our money flow index histogram isn't in oversold territory. That's our cue to enter a short position. Conversely, when the green line crosses above the orange line and our histogram isn't overbought, it's time to go long. Unlock your trading potential with FundedX. If you're ready to elevate your trading game to new heights, look no further than FundedNext, the ultimate platform for promising traders worldwide. Trade up to $300,000 on a FundedNext account and earning up to 95 the profits. Sounds enticing, right? But that's just the beginning. With FundedNext, you're not just trading. You're paving your way to success alongside a community of over 81,000 funded traders spanning across 195 countries. What sets FundedNext apart? Let me break it down for you. Profit sharing from challenge phase, profit sharing right from the get-go. Yep, you heard it right. We're the only prop firm offering this, giving you that extra push to reach the top. Say goodbye to trading under pressure. With FundedNext, you trade at your own pace with no deadlines hanging over your head. Trade with peace of mind thanks to our intelligent drawdown calculations. No unnecessary stress, just smooth sailing towards your trading goals. Enjoy the best trading conditions in the game with FundedNext. You get raw spreads and the lowest commissions, ensuring every trade works in your favor. Guaranteed payouts. Worried about when you'll get. Don't pay with our 24-hour payout guarantee. Your earnings will hit your account within a day. And if we ever miss the mark, we'll top up your payout with an extra $1,000. Ready to embark on your journey towards trading success? Join FundedNext today and unleash your trading potential like never before. Contact us now to kickstart your adventure. Don't miss out on this opportunity by clicking the link above or down in the description to be part of a dynamic community shaping the future of trading. The world of trading is yours for the taking. Seize it with FundedNext. And hey, don't forget about risk management. Proper position sizing and leverage are crucial to keeping your trading account healthy. And guess what? I've back-tested this strategy and the results are impressive. With a solid plan and disciplined execution, you could be looking at some serious gains. Alrighty, that's a wrap for today's video. If you've got any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you ASAP. Until next time, happy trading and may the markets be ever in your favor.